how to share your screen with audio on Google Meets. Now what you're going to do is at the bottom of your screen you'll see all of the icons. You're going to want to select on the Present Now, then click your entire screen. Allow that, and it will start sharing to all of your attendees in the meeting. Now, your audio may not be sharing, so what you need to do is make sure that your mute button is turned on so that everyone can hear you, as well as go to your settings, click settings there, and switch where the microphone is connected to. Underneath it, you will usually see one that says stereo audio or something like that. My laptop does not currently have that. Once you select on that, your audio and your video will be sharing to the rest of the attendees in the meeting, and you can carry on presenting either if it's a video or music or any sort of audio you'd like shared with the rest of the meeting. I hope that was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and if you did find that helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.